In this video, I'm going to be talking about the Samsung Odyssey G9 and its best settings. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to set up your Samsung Odyssey G9 for the best possible visual output. I'm going to be talking about the OLED version specifically. However, this should also work with any other model and any other panel of the G9 that you have. So these settings are going to be easy to access. You just have to press the buttons at the bottom of your monitor and you will be able to control all of them. So in order to change these settings, use the buttons, and here they are. So we're going to be changing all of these settings if you want to pause the video, and in order to control these, you will be able to use the buttons like I mentioned. So in here, browse through all of the categories. The main one where you are going to be spending a lot of time is going to be picture. Most people recommend turning game mode off. So if you find something along the lines of game mode, if your specific model supports it, most people recommend turning that off and just doing all of the stuff manually. So if you are feeling like you have washed out colors and it doesn't feel good to use, especially the OLED version, make sure to change all of this. So set brightness to 50, contrast to 50. You will be able to change the sharpness to 10, which should be set up, and the color I recommend lowering to 16. You can increase it if you like a more saturated view, however, it is what I believe most people like to use. Don't change the tint, leaving it at 0 should be okay, and for the color tone, make sure that you set it to natural. Something else that is very important to set up is Auto HDR. So if you are playing on Windows 11, especially, it is very important that you calibrate HDR through Windows. They have a lot of options related to HDR, and by going over to Auto HDR on your Windows 11 or even Windows 10 PC, you will be able to change a lot of settings and make sure that it is properly calibrated for your particular model of Samsung Odyssey G9 or any other model. So change these settings shown here and you will have a better experience. I hope I was able to help you with the best settings for the Samsung Odyssey G9. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.